Hello, this is Uday. In this tutorial, we will learn about how to use row number function in a SQL Server. The row number is a window-based function introduced in SQL Server 2005 that returns a unique integer number for each row within a window partitions. The row number starts at 1 and continues up sequentially. Let's look at this simple example where we have students' data from a school, namely students' name, class, and their marks. Now, if I want to sort students in order of highest marks and allocate them rank depending upon their marks, I would be using a row number function. Let's try this using select query. I have a select students table. Select star from student. This gives me the result of the student's detail, and I'll start applying the row number function for getting a rank for the students. Select ID, comma, name, comma, class, and their marks. To apply the row number, we simply use row underscore number, open and close parenthesis, and then over clause. Over clause is very important in row number. I have prepared a complete video on over clause. I would recommend you to please go and watch the video. The link for the video is mentioned in the description. I would apply the order by and then marks. By default, the order by for marks would be considered as ascending, and if you want to apply the rank on the highest marks, we simply have to apply the descending order. And then I would give the alias name to this column as rank. Finishing the select query from student table. Now let's try to execute this query. So we are getting the names of the students, their class, their marks are being sorted in the descending order, I mean the highest marks at the top, and then the ranks are being allocated to the highest marks. So Ricky gets the highest marks overall the school, he gets the first rank, and Ronald has the second highest marks in the school, he gets the second rank. Similarly, every student gets every unique identity number or the rank number being sequentially incremented by 1. Now, so this is basically the row number where we are applying a over clause depending upon the order by. Now, if I want to apply a rank to each and every class, let's say for class 5 I want to apply the ranks for all the students who has the highest marks and based on their order, and for class 4 I want to apply the different ranks. So every rank has to be started with 1, every class has to be started with the first rank, and then the so on. How can we do that? So we will apply the partition by under the over clause. So I'll just use the same query, and so under the row number over clause we will start applying partition by and then the class. I want the rank for each and every class. So after executing this, we will get the ranks for each and every class. So class 5 I have got 3 students, and depending upon their marks I am allocating the rank for rank 1, 2, 3, and for class 4 I have got around 7 students, and depending upon the ranks their marks we are applying the rank. So rank would be allocated to even if they have the similar rank, similar marks, it would eventually sequence the rank by 1. So basically the order by class determines the sequence in which the rows are assigned, to a unique row number within a specified partition. It is basically the mandatory clause for a row number, and partition by it divides the result set produced by the from clause into the partition to which the row number function is applied. If the partition is not specified, the row number treats all the rows of the query as a single group. We have seen in this example where we have not applied the partition by, and it had considered the entire result set as a single window. So basically the partition by or the over clause applies or provides the windowing of the results that we have provided. So let's try to understand what exactly in the summarize of a row number. It is a SQL ranking function used to get a unique sequential number for each row in a specified data. It gives the rank one for the first row and then increments the value by 1 for each row. We get the different ranks for a row having similar values as well. So we have seen this example where we have got the similar marks and it has applied different ranks based on the partitions. By default, it sorts the data in ascending order and starts assigning the rows ranks for each row. Now look at the syntax of the row number function. We have got a row number followed by over clause, and then in the parenthesis we use order by clause, and it is required to use order by clause in the order to apply the sort of the result set. It basically determines the sequence, and in the partition by value expression it divides the result set. Alright, so this is basically the row number function. It is very useful and very important, one of the important functions in SQL Server. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get the video updates. Thank you.